Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Union County, Illinois, west central Johnson County, Illinois, until 2 a.m. At 1:46 a.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Dongola, or 8 miles east of Enna, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Union and west central Johnson counties, including the following locations: Buncombe. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 29 and 32. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson and Union,